rock crawling so far. Rocks are nice and slippery, but we've been making it work. Oops. Got my shit a little wet. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do some filming here as much as I can. It's hard when you're running solo. I also don't know where everyone went. I think they went this way. Now I'm playing man tracker, looking for Trempeador tracks. But we'll head this way. Looks like the right way. My pump didn't like getting wet, my belt, so it's squealing now. Hit a couple of big puddles at too fast. That wasn't very hard.
Best way down,
straight. Bit sketchy for me. Oh, you almost got it.
Sounds good. Has more power when you have open headers. One tire's not turning. Here comes the fucking race car driver. Yeah, here comes old Derp. He'll show you how to do it. Get the birthday guy on go here.
Well, he hasn't rolled it yet, so it's really not like him at all. Timed it and I saw a little poof. That could have been bad news. Struggle's real for Rotten up there.
He's really killing it. That sure is this way a bit tall when you get up there. My heart gets fucking ticked when I start turning that way, bud. I can hear your horn fucking going when you're fucking stepping up there.
I don't even know what Rotten's doing anymore.
I think he made it doable, the straight line for the buggies. Well, especially the rear steer. Rear steer class.
Stock Nissan class is killing it though.
That's a workout.
I'm impressed with the front end that you didn't pop something there. You're hitting hard.
Like that last one, I'm like, yeah, I'll give it a few minutes.
See if I can get them both in one shot. Nice, there he goes. Whoa! Sketchy! Nicely done, Josh. Well done. Killed it. We can see who in the family has commitment issues. It's not the wife. That's a good rock wall though. It's taller than me. 8 feet tall. Pretty much vertical.
Fancy locker in the back. I just replaced the mirror. What's in there for a locker? Grizzly?
Just because you just replaced it doesn't mean that you didn't just blow it up.
Is there a grizzly in there? That sounds great. Cool. What did you tell him that? Should be making noises.
At this point, like if you're already chipping teeth, like it's the only worst it's gonna get is it locking up on him. So like you may as well just do it. Nicely done. Same spot.
Go, 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 go! Go!
An epic day of wheeling so far. I think we're getting close to wrapping up here. Rotten's got to go meet the babysitter pretty soon, so maybe a couple more hits, but we're getting close to the end of the day. So far so good. We'll keep going. Hopefully do a bit more wheeling here before we gotta head in. Well, we got to the top of the trail here and we're missing Sean, so let's go find out what happened to him. This is a gnarly trail. Good rocks on this one. So apparently it wasn't the stacks output that Sean blew up. He's got a mid shaft on his, he's got a steady bearing, and then a short little drive shaft, and somehow he snapped that. There's no way he hit it on anything because it's right in his belly pad, but either way, he's two-wheel drive and we're gonna try to get the hell out of here. Well, we're just getting down off the last trail. It was super tight one, not a lot of rocks, but real tight in the trees and a lot of tight turns. It was fun following Kyle through the woods in this thing. Did a pretty good job though, all things considered. You can see he's leaned into a few trees, but overall, thing did amazingly. Back at the trailer, just loaded up, and looks like I did a number on this brake line. Really surprised I didn't leak. Whoops, clearly got it snagged on something. Well, just getting dark and getting the Pathmaker back in the shop. Epic day of rock crawling. Didn't have too many issues. Of course, I fought with next to no brakes all day, so I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and take that bleeder out, bleed the brakes properly, because wheeling without brakes sucks. Looks like, of course, I cracked my windshield, which is no good because that's only run number 3, I think, on that windshield. So that's a drag, but away she goes. Also looks like, of course, my door Barbara is newly bent, so she's she no longer does, the pin no longer works, so time to get myself a new door bar, which fab one of those up, but way she goes. But stay tuned next weekend for another wheeling adventure. Hopefully nothing's too messed up on this thing. We do a bolt check tomorrow, and we'll get it back out in the woods again real soon. Cheers.
Oh, Riley's on his side.
You want a push or a tug, or what do you think?
This is a sweet little Sammy. Looks like with toy running gear in it.